Use it. Use already question. It's on predators. He was good. He was very, very, very good. Hang on. I don't think everybody's here alive. Please. Wow. This place is very creepy. And scary. Ugh, yes, it is scary. Stab. Whoa! Two! Ugh. That was freaky. Whatever. Okay. First of all, we need to find the idol. This scares me, the arrows. Stay right here. We'll see, Sam. I'll get the idol. Okay? Okay, so you okay. Put in my hand. Okay, let me put in my hand. Okay, it's right here. Got it. I got it. Good job. First of all, think. Oh, this tower's collapsing. What? Let me help you. Rather, first of all, no, you're dead. This is wonderful. Wonderful day. I finally made it outside. Wow. Think now I'm fine. So, Dr. Jones, give me the item. No. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Jock, I found the item. Good job. You want to go in my plane? Soon. Why are you fishing there? I'm trying to fix fish, but I can't find no. Okay. Happy ending.